Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious coconut rice. This recipe is very easy to follow. To make this, we are going to be using 4 leveled cups of rice, 250 ml cups. Wash the rice properly and set aside. And we're also going to use 2 medium-sized grated coconuts. Fresh pepper. According to your tolerance level, you can add more, you can add less, depending on what you can withstand. Crayfish. We are going to use about half cup to 3/4 cup crayfish. We are going to pound this with our pepper. Onions. We're going to wash our onions, peel the back, and cut them up properly. I like a lot of onions in coconut rice. Dried prawns. Wash them properly. You can also use shrimps if you want. You can use dried fish also. Seasoning cubes and salt. We're going to grate our coconut. This is 2 medium-sized coconuts for 4 cups of rice. Either you grate your coconut or you just cut it up into bits and put in a blender, put some warm water and blend it to be smooth so you can extract the cream. Put some hot water in a bowl with the coconut that you've grated. Allow it to sit for a while so that to release the cream. Please don't use cold water. If you use cold water, the cream will not come out as much as it's supposed to. Use your hand to work the coconut chaff to loosen up the cream. If the water is still too hot, when you want to do this, you can add some water, some cool water to make the temperature bearable for you. But we want to extract as much cream as possible. After this, we're going to strain it with a sieve and put in the pot for the rice. I've already put in our pepper and crayfish mix. Now I'm going to put our chopped onion inside. We're going to put in our dried prawns. If you're using dried fish, this is also the time to put it. Put in seasoning cubes, add some salt, taste to make sure it's okay. Cover it. When it starts simmering, you put in the rice and stir properly and cover to start cooking. When the rice is on fire, you put in some more warm water into the coconut chaff. Work it with your hands to loosen up the cream again, so that you will use it when your rice requires more water. You just be adding the water little by little. Don't add meat broth or use normal water because you're going to water down the taste of the coconut. This is the liquid you continue adding a little at a time until your rice is ready. And the thing with coconut rice is that once you stir it the first time to mix all the ingredients, you don't stir again. Just let it be. Let it cook on its own like that. If you keep stirring or if you stir it, you're going to burn the rice and you will not like how it will turn out. So no stirring after the first time, please. The rice is ready. I like a little more onions and pepper in my coconut rice, so I just cut some and added on top before it was ready. Please let me know if you get to try out this recipe. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Until I come your way next time. Bye.